I'll make it rough on somebody, Bulldozer.
Hey, 529, when you jump in like that, man, make sure no one's around, because when you jump down, that was a big old jump. 529, Bulldozer said, g'day, mate.
That was number 6 making it rough on him. Hey, Bulldozer, that was number 6 making it rough on him on the mini grass from stateside to break.
Man, you making it rough on everyone there. Number 6 is come out of nowhere. All right, number 6 is for some broadcasting. Number 6, Bulldozer, right there.
Well, I just came back around the radio. I was in there eating dinner, man. It's Friday night on this side, so I was in there eating dinner, but now I'm back around the radio to break.
Right there, number 6. Must be dodging around the mini grass or something. That's real loud. I did hear a bit of mini grass sort of buzzing in the background, but number 6, he got that thing. Come on.
And I'm right back. Yeah, well, good. You know, I talked to Super Squid in there earlier, a little while ago before I ate dinner, so I know there's still some conditions down there, but ain't too many people out there in the radio. It's real quiet in my radio, but I got you, and I hear mini grass in there too, but right now it's all you to break. Yeah, well, I turned it up a little bit for you right there, Bulldozer. Hey, Bulldozer, I turned this big issue up right there, but I got this big quad looking right at you, so that might make it through the mess to break.
Number 6, you got a sloppy copy. Super Squid Mo. I think Bulldozer have to go 10-7 there, break.
I sure do. Hey, Super Squid, I see we still got conditions down that way, but I've got a real good copy on this side to break.
Yeah, I got your 20-30 down here and got you pretty good down here too, mate. I was quite surprised you actually swung the beam around. You're showing up pretty good, so that's amazing there, mate. I thought the conditions all down and drifted there, mate, but man, I can't believe it.
Well, you know what it is, that big antenna. That's what does that. Hey, Super Squid, it's because it's real quiet out there, and I hear a little bit of whine in there, you know, but I know conditions pretty much probably going downhill, and this time of day to be talking down your way is probably, you know, I figured you'd lost the most of the stateside by now, but hey, Super Squid, it's that great big quad to break.
Yeah, well, you reckon it's a great big quad, man. Well, they're definitely working. Well, I hear the guys in the mini grass sort of local talking. I'm not too sure if they're standing by or not there, mate. Maybe they're letting you talk. I'm not too sure, mate. Most of the time they hear you coming out there, they probably drop a hammer down. But that's your 1036 there, man. That big old quad there, mate's talking. Straight across the deep blue there, number 6 there, mate. Well done.
Yeah, well, appreciate it. Well, you're doing the same thing over here. I got real good signal on you and real good audio. I remember, I think last time I talked to you a few months back, you had made a microphone change, audio change or something, if I remember right. But I see it still sounds good on this side. So, and you'll see it. I just started a little video too, so I'm gonna let it go for a couple minutes and then I'll cut it off. But you doing it on this side too to break.
Yeah, right. Number 6 and Smokey, Big Island, wave the hand. Number 6, Smokey, Big Island, aloha.
It's time, so I'll just put a different thing in line at the moment there, mate. I'm always playing, switching things around. I wasn't too impressed the way I did it before, so if it's understandable and the route...
I heard you in there.
Yeah, mate, well, that's pretty much the job done there, mate.
Number 6, Smokey.
Remember I was talking to you before there, mate, it's just the audio weren't right. Maybe didn't have conditions when I was talking to you guys before, but sort of right now there, mate, I got you a lot more full than before there, Temple.
Yeah, well, you know, conditions changing, kind of band's getting quiet. I see I still got mini grass in there pretty good. Smokey had keyed up in there and kind of came in here real good for a sec. But anyways, I'm going to ease back. I just wanted to key up a few times. Like I said, I just came out. I don't know if you heard me telling Bulldozer. I just got done eating dinner, so I just came back around the band. So I'm going to sit down and get me something to drink and kind of see what's going on. But hey, Super Squid, I'll get with you. I'm going to let this Watergate go for another... I don't know, 5 minutes or so. So I'll stick it up there later on. Hey, Super Squid, you know who it is, and I'm back 10-7.
Supa friend number 6 up there in San Fran. Your friend Super Squid said have a good day, mate. Number 6.
Click. Yeah, and it's working too. All right, Super Squid. I mean, he's back. But I did hear you earlier when you said when you was talking about you just always making changes with the audio and stuff. But yeah, it does sound real good. You'll see it. It's gonna be a pretty good gig because it's pretty the noise level is pretty low out there, so it'll be good. But I'll stick it up there later on. Hey, Super Squid, I'll get with you. I'm back 10-7.
And number 6, I'll hold you. The short haul sounds good, but a long haul there, mate. You're my radio chick, so if you put it up there, sit on that there, amigo. Top of the evening time, everybody. Have a beautiful time down the road. Got it, Smokey with the 5. Aloha.
Yeah, I'll stick it up there later on and see. It's getting rough in there now. I heard that Smokey keyed up in there a few times again. But I'll get with you. I'm gonna go grab me a Coke. I'll be back around the band. I'm gonna let this thing go though for a while, but I'll be back in, I don't know, a couple minutes. But I might key up a little bit more here in a few minutes. We'll see. Anyways, let me ease back. I'm back 10-7.
Get back. Don't wait on them, Sid. Don't wait on them. Smokey. Aloha.
Oh, 28, just small city. Beautiful Melbourne, mate.
Down here, 28. Out here on the east side of Australia.
Whoa, Super Squid, that's great.
Afternoon time on the east side of Australia. 440's getting on up. Station and to go to handheld microphone and hey, I'll see ya. And that Bulldozer 142 is walking and talking on the mini gas. They call me Smokey. Aloha. $4.49, don't wait on them now. $4.40. Smokey, yeah. You take care and get back to the garage and put another coat on this 4x4 out there. You got a bit of spray paint out here. It's a real nice afternoon around Australia. We just got to lay down another couple of coats of paint. I'll see you. I'll see ya. Don't make no run now, 440. Don't make no run. Smokey 28. The gang out there, old 440 is going to put a coat of paint on this Nissan 4x4. I'll see you.
What are you waiting for, man?
Bye, 440. Smokey.